Pinili lang actually, and then we'll go back to Disneyland now by train again. Try namin mag-bullet train dito sa Japan. Okay, right ate? Yeah. This is the train. Yeah, we're going to ride a train, a bullet train to Disney Sea from Disneyland. Okay, this is the bullet train here. Okay. Come on, sit down here, sit down here. Oh. At, mami, dito. Oh. Okay, thank you. Oh. Carry, mami. So, we are inside the bullet train. So, oh, see. Ang ganda ng train ng Japan. Oh. Oh, see? Oh, hold. Oh. So, second station baka malagpas tayo. 1-2. Okay, so here we go. Disneyland, going to Disney Sea, and then come back.
Not that time to record.
Not the time to record. So, oh, so sinasabi pala. Okay. Alright. So, it's very fast, diba? Napakalinis, diba? Oh. Oh. Diba? You know. Oh, this is nakita niyo yung mga logo, mga ka-Glen Abs. Oh. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse, but Glen Abs have abs. Oh. See. I like this one, so see. See, Mickey Mouse. Where's Daddy Mark? Ay, nakatayo. Nakatayo. Okay, andyan ang malupit. Kuskus, just ate, hold. Beside station. Hilton, ayan o. Hilton Hotel. Tokyo. Sheraton. Okay, bye guys. Hindi ba? Transfer to Lola. Okay, welcome to Tokyo Disneyland Resort. Bye guys. See where you are standing. Ayan nga oh. So you are going to watch here. Diba? See? Ayan no. Diba Hilton Tokyo Bay? Seaside, oh. Sheraton. Yan. And then this one, Okara. Yeah. Okada. So, yeah. Yes. All right, that's good. Thank you. Ang bilis lang pala. Ang bilis lang pala, ate. Ate. Ang bilis lang pala.
Not time.
Ang bilis lang pala.
Not the time to record.
Not the time to record. Oh, you're here. Oo nga. Okay. Inaway. Oh, did you see? Oh, ayun yung sea. Diyan tayo pupunta under. At, Kus, diyan tayo pupunta under. Under the sea. Ayan, may experience lang talaga sumakay pa ng train sa Japan. May experience lang ang bullet train. Ang Disneyland train Ayan di ba? Oh, so nice. Napakalinis tapos to Ayan Oh, nice. Ayun Ano naman 'yan? Japan. Oh. Kanila lang, kanila lang. Ogawa, Ginawa nila yung train para lang sa kanila. Ayun na yung Disney Sea, ayun yung welcome. May toll. Okay. Ayun guys, para na rin kayo nakapunta ng Japan nanonood kayo Ayun ayun yung entrance Dito tayo lalabas. Okay, now arriving Disney Sea Station. Ito. To the left. Left, dito left. Okay. Bye. 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 Mickey Mouse train. We're here. And then go down. Okay. Go down. Elevates. Elevates again. Let's go. So from there, pag baba mo sa elevator ng Disneyland train, ito na. Pupunta na tayo sa Disney Sea. Mickey Mouse train here at we're here now at Disney Sea. Later we go back to Disneyland. Coming up, Mickey Mouse train. Mga ka-Glenhawks, after the Disneyland, ayan, tumakay nga kami ng Disneyland train going here naman to Disney Sea. See? Ayan makita ko sa Tokyo Disney Sea Station.